What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from geeksterlabs.com, and today I got two cases I want to show you from Nomad. And so these are cases for the iPhone XS and XS Max. So first off I have here is the iPhone XS rugged folio case. This is like a wallet style case. And then I have the iPhone XS Max rugged Tri-Folio, which is also a wallet style case but has 3 flaps. So this is a pretty interesting product as well. So this one retails for $60, this one retails for $80. And so both these cases are made of genuine leather. It's Horween leather, so it's very nice. Solid leather, and eventually it gets a really cool patina on it. So I know a lot of you guys that like leather cases. I've been using this one here for, man, at least 2 weeks now, and it's already starting to develop a really nice patina from the oils of my skin and just the nice little scratches and things like that. The brown case obviously shows the patina a little bit better than the black one does, but even the black has a nice patina on it as well. So I've kind of been a little hesitant on using the wallet style cases, but I've really enjoyed using this one, and I've actually really enjoyed not having to have my wallet with me at all times. So in this one here, I keep my driver's license and 2 credit cards and any kind of cash, or also like I never have cash on me, but I have my vehicle registration or insurance cards and things like that inside the flap. And so that has been really handy to have. Of course, I don't have everything that I normally carry with me in my wallet, but most of the times I don't need all the stuff that I have in my wallet. And this is a really good solution if you just want to have something to where it's really slimmed down, something with your phone, a couple credit cards, a driver's license, and then you're pretty much good to go. So let me give you guys some close-up details and shots of these 2 cases. Okay, so here first we have the rugged folio for the iPhone XS, and as you can see, it does have a little bit of wear on it. It does take some time for that leather to kind of break in and kind of easily fold and go pretty flat there, but this is it's still a pretty slim case, even though it is a wallet style case. And so let me open it up right here. On the inside, you can see I have 3 credit cards. It has a money slot right here. I never have cash with me, so I have my insurance cards and things like that are in there. And so as far as all the ports and things go, let me give you some close-ups of that. So here on the side, we have a nice large opening for the mute switch. We have the volume up and down buttons. Those are being covered up and protected, but you can still feel the click through those buttons there. Get to the bottom. Nice large opening. I had no issues fitting my lightning connectors that were larger than the Apple connector in here, so that's a nice big opening. Shouldn't be any issues for you guys. Speaker, microphone, big open slots for that, no problems with that. Get to the side, we have the sleep wake button right here, also being protected and covered, but you can still feel the click when you press through there. Get to the back of the case, and then we have the camera hole right there. And as you can see, you can obviously see some of that patina that's already kind of there from the oils on my skin, and just a little bit of nicks and things like that. So just some real nice patina, some characteristics to kind of make this like your own style type of case. And so this case feels like it would last you a very long time. As you can see, it has the leather's being broken in. When you do put this face down, there's a slight lip on it. You can see the edge of the case right there. It's a very, very tiny lip. I don't have a screen shield or anything on my phone, so there's nothing, that's actually the glass of the phone. So it's pretty close to the edge, but if you put it face down, it's not really technically touching the glass of your phone. But overall, I mean, it's not really bulky at all. As you can see, it's still pretty thin, even with that flap, okay? So like I said, this is the folio, the regular normal wallet style folio. So let's check out the Tri-Folio. Okay, so here we have the Tri-Folio. As you can see, this is the brown color, and so the brown obviously shows a little bit more patina than the black does. I haven't really broken this one in super much as I have the black one, but this will collect the oils from your skin, and it'll have a really cool rugged type of patina to it, so this will look really nice. So let me show you the difference here with the Tri-Folio. So it's basically very similar. The inside is exactly like the folio, has a nice felt finish on the inside. This one actually has 4 card slots right here. There's no money slot like the one that over there does, but the money slot is on this one right here. So you have a pocket right here for putting cash, receipts, whatever you want to put in here, but then there's also a flap on the outside as well. So there's 2 spots to be able to put different things in there. So that's what you have with this Tri-Folio. Obviously, it's going to be a thicker style case, and this is going to be a little bit more flatter depending on how many cards you have stacked in there. But still, if you need a little bit more storage than what's offered to you from the folio, then the Tri-Folio is definitely going to be the one you're going to go with. Everything else is the same as far as the actual body of the case. This case is exactly like the other one. Obviously, the biggest difference is that this is the Tri-Folio, and it has way more space for storage and things like that. And this one does retail for $80. Another important part of this case is that it will work with Qi chargers or wireless chargers. So right here we have the Nomad base station, a very nice wireless charger. I'll be doing a review of this one very soon. Click on the card in the top right corner if you want to jump to that review now. But as you can see here, I'm going to put the case onto there. it does charge through the case, so they're not going to be kind of inhibiting the fact that you can use Qi chargers with these cases. No issues, no problems. It will charge just fine while it's inside these cases. So that is it for me today, guys, in this review. If you have any questions about these products, post them down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to check out some of my other reviews, I got 2 clips here you can click on, and if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of all my future reviews on my channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video review.